Come on, take your clothes off. She'll just sink if you keep them on.
Isn't that a little weird?
Didn't you want to learn how to swim?
Yeah, I do.
Then I'll teach you, Denji. All the stuff you don't know, all the things you can't do. I'll teach you everything. Denji, you've got feelings for someone else besides me, don't you?
Again. It hurts. Feels like I'm gonna die. She's gonna try to kill me too. You only wanted the chainsaw's heart, right? But what about me, huh?
I wasn't lying about what I said. Now, let me show you something really important.
Guess it wasn't that bad. And I decided, if I'm gonna die, I'd rather it be by the hands of a beautiful woman.
Forget it. It was all a lie.